If you don't want a credit card saved on your Amazon anymore, I will show you how to remove it quick and easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove a credit card from your Amazon account. So let's get started. First, you have to go to their Amazon website. Once you're in, all you have to do is log into your account. Now hover to your name, which is here on the top right corner, then click on account. Once you are in this home page, scroll down and find a section that's called your payment. And now you will see here all the list of your saved credit cards account. And just all you have to do is click on the card you want to remove, and your card details will appear on the right side. Click edit. Now look for the remove from wallet button. Click on that and then confirm by clicking remove one more time. And that's it. Your credit card has been removed from your Amazon account successfully. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in my next video.